Lower condition ratings and flooding weren't enough to pull grain prices higher. Michelle Rook is back with Tuesday's trade in Markets Now.
Another bloodbath in the grains on Tuesday. Don Rose is back with analysis. Well, we saw some massive fund selling pressure in the grains, Don, and new contract lows in both new crop corn and soybeans. Why have the funds been in sell mode?
Well, I think when you look at it, Michelle, this is the most dangerous time of the year coming out of Memorial Day week. And if the crops look like we're marching to a crop, we take some risk premium out. Funds went into this Memorial Day weekend short, and they just kept pressing it here. There hasn't been a technical let up here yet. So a lot of risk premium out of the market right now, Michelle.
I was going to say, we don't have much weather premium in at all. The market seems to be kind of ignoring things like the flooding that we're seeing in parts of the Midwest.
Yeah, much like we've seen in some of these years past where we had some big issues, and I'd call them pretty big issues up in parts of the upper Midwest. 1993, the derecho year 2020, we had kind of a little bit of a delayed reaction. So let's see if we get some of that occurring. Always watch the crop ratings. If the crop's getting smaller, usually we start to stabilize and move up. Problem this year, we started out just too lofty. We're still about 19% over a year ago on corn ratings, and it's about 16% on soybean ratings.
Do you think we're selling up as well going into the reports, especially with quarterly stocks, which are going to be bigger than a year ago?
Yeah, I think when you look at it from the fear factor is, I know basis levels are tight, which, you can say the stocks are going to be bullish. That's possible. But we're still running, as of June 1, corn stocks 19% over a year ago, soybean stocks 21% over a year ago, and the wheat about 19% or 20% over a year ago.
And technically, new contract lows in corn and beans in the new crop category. Where do we find the next support?
Yeah, you put it in perspective on the soybean corn 2.5-year lows. Soybeans, we went to 11.07 this year. The last time we went under 11 was back in 2020. So this round number, $11, big support on the soybeans. On new crop corn, big support, $4.40 on the corn.
Thanks for joining us, Don Rose, U.S. Commodities. We'll have more AgDay coming up. Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.